everybody, it's Cindy and welcome to Cindy Lou Loves Glam 2. And no, you've not stepped in a Dr. Seuss book. I just really like to rhyme things. If you're new here, welcome. I've got an exciting video today. This is my first time getting a Beautylish lucky bag or Fukumuru or however it's pronounced. I've seen a lot of people do these. I've always wanted to take part in it. I'm going to try and do this in one take so that I can basically post and show you everything. The way I figure, I can either do it fast or I can do it fancy, so you probably won't be seeing any kind of music or title cards or anything like that. I literally just want to take this and post it and let you all see what I have. So I don't know if it's an XL bag. I got the smaller bag, so I think it's either large or whatever. I got the $75 one, which I believe is supposed to have at least $150 worth of value. You know, I'm also a little bit scared because like I would show you how much it caved in. But it has my address there, and I'm not about to get 187 over doing dumb crap on the internet. So, elephant in the room, yes, it's January 26th, and I have not gotten my Christmas setup taken down yet. So I don't know what to tell you. I haven't had the time, so, you know. And you know what? I woke up to it being 2 degrees outside with a 5-degree wind chill. For me, that is cold enough to still consider it like Christmas time. I was concerned that there might be some stuff broken in here. Now, I have seen other people from past years open lucky bags, so I have not seen this yet. You're gonna get to react along with me, but I do have some things that, you know, I would love to see in here. I would love to try. For me, it would be nice if I tried something Charlotte Tilbury. It would also be nice if I were to get a decent, like maybe Natasha Denona palette in here. That could be nice. What I don't want is a whole bunch of skincare. I don't want to hype myself up and then get disappointed afterwards, but I would love to, see either like some sort of Charlotte Tilbury item that I've never really tried before, or a Natasha Denona palette. That would be really great. Okay, so are we ready? Here's what it looks like. There was like a little card or something on the top. There was like a little card up on here, I swear. I swear it was not crazy. Oh, well, it doesn't matter. Y'all don't matter. It doesn't matter. Y'all just want to see what's in here. So let's do that. Okay, so here we go. We're opening it up. Here's all the stuff in here. So here is everything, and we will just unwrap and go. Okay, I don't think anything's going to have broken in here. Oh man, I think I see an item that I've already gotten in the past that I was not that thrilled about. I guess we'll just go off the top. All right, so I have an Hourglass Vanish Flash Highlighting Stick. I got one in BoxyCharm. And this, although I think this is a different shade, I got it in the shade Bronze Flash, so this does look a little bit different. I'm not usually like a stick or cream highlight person. I'm not really using a whole lot of highlighters in general. I probably, ooh, is that too dark? It might be too dark. Of course, if it's dark like that, I could use it as a cream blush, which I absolutely have been using a lot of lately. Y'all, I got a light bag. I got because they asked you which, are you the light or the medium or whatever? I know I got a light one. Does that look like something that would work on somebody's skin that's pale like mine? I'm asking. I could sheer that out as a blush, as like a nice coppery blush, and then it is nice and quick and go, and it's like a nice glowy blush. So I guess I shouldn't complain. But that to me is definitely not. If you're using that as a highlighter, that should not go into a light bag. All right, so anyway, we got this Hourglass Vanish Stick. I think I recall these being about $35, $40. Okay, next, it looks like, ooh, I have not tried anything from Wayne Goss yet. I've got a Wayne Goss. Oh, it's a gloss, a Wayne Goss gloss, high shine gloss, and it's in the shade Hibiscus. I'm not as big of a gloss fan, especially now that I'm wearing a lot of masks. That's very pretty and shimmery. Let's see if it's, looks very sticky. Very short doe foot on here. And I've got a lot of stuff on my hands. I don't know if I've got any more places to swatch it at. I don't know if you can see that. It's fairly sheer and a very nude, like shiny, like a champagne pink. I don't know. Like a rosé champagne color is what it reminds me of, but okay. I don't know, we'll have to see about that. It's very sticky. I can tell just by putting it on my hand. Okay. Oh, whoa, okay. So we've seen this brand before in Ipsy, of course. I have a Smith & Colt bright red nail polish here. Of course, Smith & Colt, I know a lot of people don't like it because they do this like weird indentation and melting. It's supposed to make it look like it's not perfect or anything, but it's that very bright, almost kind of a, it looks pinkish red on the thing, but it's much deeper red, more like a true red, and it's in Kundalini Hustle. Sorry if I'm mispronouncing that, but so we've got a nail polish. There is a fair amount of polish in there. I probably shouldn't be cracking this open, but oh, that doesn't really. Okay, I guess the thing just popped off of there. Yeah, that's a very short brush, but it does seem like there's a fair amount of nail polish in there, so I'll have to try it out, see if it's any good. I know that Smith & Colt, in my opinion, they put more than what the price, in my opinion, should really be. Okay. So again, I'm going to leave this big ticket thing down at the end. I have a feeling it's a palette. Oh, if I don't get it, I was also hoping that maybe they might put the Hindash palette in there. I doubt that it's going to happen. I've heard how great it is, but I don't know. We'll see. Okay, so this is, oh no, I have a feeling I'm not going to be able to use this. Okay, so this is a Good Molecules Rose Water Daily Cleansing Gel. I have a lot of cleaners right now, or cleansers right now. It says it's gentle, but it does have rose water in it, and I've noticed that rose things tend to break me out. I don't know. We'll have to try it out. Ew, ew, ew. Okay, it's been out in the cold. It's still kind of cold, so, oh, well, it is a gel. I guess it is. It looks kind of, very viscous and kind of slimy, and it's probably because it needs to heat up a little bit. It's obviously been really freaking cold out, so it probably just needs to stay inside and heat up a little bit. And I won't be opening this for a while and using it for a while. So, okay. The next thing in here, I don't really use lashes. I don't wear lashes. It's a pain in the neck to get them on, and I hate lash glue and how it can clog up my eyelid glands. I don't like it. So these are probably, I don't care about thing, but I do have some Ardell natural lashes here. It's in 107. I don't know. Maybe I'll try them, but more along the lines, I probably will put them in some sort of giveaway coming up. And then, oh, so yes, I get to try a Sonia G. I got a Sonia G Smudger 1 brush. So there it is. It looks like it's, I mean, it says it's a smudger. I would probably use it as more of like a packing brush. So that's nice to try. I know that these are very, very expensive brushes. So finally here, the piece de resistance. What is this? I think I got what I wanted. if this is what I think it is, I think I got one of the things that I wanted. It was either going to be something Charlotte Tilbury, Natasha Denona palette, or I had my eye also on that Hindash palette, and I did not buy it because I didn't know if it might end up in this. And guess what I got? I got the Hindash palette. I know I watched the Beauty News people, and I remember this doing very well on their awards. So I've heard that this is excellent quality. A lot of good things. It seems like a lot of makeup artists really love it. And I know it seems weird and not as intuitive of how to use it, but like, it looks like it can be essentially an all over palette. You can pump it up with some red. I'm really excited. I'm excited. I'm glad that I got this. I know this is like $70, I think. So I know that this is like $70 because I looked into possibly getting it, and I can't believe I predicted it. It was either, it might have been in this box, and I'm glad that I waited. I'm glad that I didn't buy it, mainly also because I'm on a no buy right now. But I'm on a no buy, and this lucky bag was my last hurrah before I, stopped purchasing as much. So I'm super excited. I'm happy about that. So the Hindash Beautopsy palette, Beautopsy, I hope I'm saying that right. The Hindash Beautopsy Pressed Pigment palette retails for $70. The Smith & Colt nail lacquer looks like it retails for $18. The Hourglass Vanish Flash highlighting stick was $46. You should have just called it the Wayne Gloss. Is that what it's called? It might be called that. The Wayne Goss High Shine Gloss retails for $22. The Ardell lashes are, $4.20. So that's kind of a throwaway. I'm going to have to look up how to take care of this, by the way, because I think, isn't this a very specially made brush? I think it is. I think it's like handmade and everything. So I think you have to be very careful with how you wash these because you don't want to ruin it. The Sonia G Smudger 1 brush retails for $28. Just one brush, $28, not a whole set, y'all. Yeah, so the Good Molecules cleanser is only $12. So my retail value came up just above $200. I believe it's about $200.20. My box came to approximately $200. We were supposed to get $150 worth of value out of it, so clearly we did. I'm happy enough with my first go around. I'm not completely bummed by the Smith & Colt. I'll try the gloss. I'm not as big of a gloss person, but it's nice to try something from Wayne Goss. Very nice to get a very nice brush from Sonia G. Hourglass, I could keep it or take it or leave it. The thing that I'm the most excited about, I'm most ecstatic about, is the Hindash palette. I'm so happy that I got this. I was looking at possibly purchasing this, and I ended up not doing it because I thought, well, I can either get the lucky bag or I can try this out. And so I decided to go ahead and do the lucky bag, hoping that maybe it might be in there, and I was right. So okay, so let me know how you felt about this. Like, what did you get? Did you get a lucky bag? Were you lucky enough to snag it? How would you feel about this? I'm excited enough that I think I will try to get another bag next year. That's all I can say. You can feel free to follow me on Instagram or Twitter. I've been incredibly terrible about even posting anything. I don't think I've even opened the apps over the last 3 to 4 weeks. But you can feel free to follow me there. And with that, have a great day, evening, weekend, whenever you're watching me. Thank you so much for joining me. Bye.